Hello, good day. How are you today? You good, right? Okay, so are you ready for today's lesson? You are, that is good. So today, in basic technology, we are going to be learning about Earth in space. Okay? Our topic for today in basic technology is on Earth in space. Earth in space means our planet, Earth, and how it fits into the big universe. Earth is like our home and it travels around the sun. This journey around the sun gives us seasons like summer, winter, spring. Earth also spins like a top. This spinning makes the sun appear and disappear in the sky, creating day and night. So Earth in space is all about where our planet is in the universe and how it moves and creates day and night. And interesting things like eclipses. Now that we have talked about Earth in space, let's explore some other exciting ideas that connect to our planet and the universe. Okay? We have the solar system. A solar system is a collection of celestial objects, including a star and various objects that orbit it. It can include planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Our solar system, for instance, consists of the Sun, 8 planets, and numerous other smaller objects. Okay? So a solar system is a group of objects in space, like the Sun, planets, and moons, held together by gravity. Our solar system includes the Sun and all the objects that orbit around it, including planets like Earth. Okay? Do we understand that? So a solar system is like a family of objects in space with a central star at the center. Our solar system has one central star, which is the sun. Okay? Around the sun, there are planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Okay? Think of the sun as the parent and the planets as the children in the family. Do we understand this explanation? That's good. So we now know what a solar system means, right? Good. Then let's look at the planets. Planets are celestial bodies that orbit a star, like the Sun. Earth is one of the 8 planets in our solar system. Planets come in various sizes and can be rocky or gas giants. So planets are large objects that orbit or go around the sun. Earth is one of these planets. Okay? So planets are like Earth in some ways. They can be rocky or gassy and have their own unique characteristics. Okay? Do we understand? Let's say planets are like the keys of the solar system. They are large objects that go around the sun. And Earth is one of these planets. And planets can be made of rocks or gas, and they have their own unique characters. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay? Just like Earth is one of the planets in our solar system, there are 7 more planets, each with its own characters. And we said some can be rocky or some can be gassy, right? So we now understand planets, right? We do understand planets now, right? Good. So next, we are going to be looking at rotation of the Earth. The Earth rotates on its axis, which is an imaginary line passing from the North Pole to the South Pole. This rotation gives rise to day and night. The Earth completes one full rotation approximately every 24 hours. Okay? Imagine the Earth spinning around like a top. This spinning is called rotation, and it happens on an imaginary line called an axis. Says it happens on an imaginary line called an axis. Earth's rotation creates a day and night. It takes about 24 hours for the Earth to complete one full spin. So we have 24-hour days. Okay? So the Earth isn't just sitting still in space. It's spinning around like a top on an imaginary line called an axis. This spinning is what gives us day and night, and it takes about 24 hours for Earth to complete one full spin. Okay? So we now know about the rotation of the Earth, right? Good. So next, we are going to be looking at eclipse. An eclipse occurs when one celestial body moves into the shadow of another. On Earth, we primarily experience 2 types of eclipses: solar eclipses and lunar eclipses. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, blocking the sunlight temporarily. And a lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon. Okay? So an eclipse is like a special shadow show in the sky when the moon comes between the Earth and the sun. It can block the sunlight, creating a solar eclipse. If the Earth gets between the sun and the moon, it can make the moon look like it's disappearing, which is a lunar eclipse. Okay? So we understood that, right? An eclipse is like a fascinating shadow event in the sky. There are 2 main types: solar and lunar eclipses. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon moves between the Earth and the sun, blocking the sunlight from the Earth for a short time. And a lunar eclipse happens when the Earth comes between the sun and the moon, causing the moon to turn reddish or disappear for a while. So we now understand about the eclipse, right? That is good. The solar system, planets, rotation of the earth, and eclipse helps us understand our place in the universe and how earth and space are connected. So I hope you understood today's lesson. You did, right? That is good. So earth in space refers to our planet Earth and its position and movement in the vast expanse of the universe. Earth is one of the planets in our solar system, and it orbits or travels around the sun. It is important to understand that Earth is not alone in space. It is part of a family of objects that includes the sun, other planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Earth's, rota- Earth's rotation on its axis causes the cycle of day and night, which its orbit around the sun leads to the changing of seasons. Earth's place in space allows us to witness eclipse, where the sun, earth, and moon align in special ways to create unique shadow events in the sky. So Earth in space allows us to understand our place in the universe. Okay, so now we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do it. That's good.